This is a makeup video I never expected to make. This is my hands holding on to my client's hand. She's not dead. She's not sick. This is not a zombie film. She has a condition called Argyria. And Argyria is a skin condition that comes from too much exposure to silver. There are many documented cases. And what I'm going to be doing today is using corals and peaches and orange tones to combat the silvery blue that comes with Argyria. My client spends her days on camera, so I'm not going to reveal her name.
I've had people come up to me and ask me if I was okay, do I feel well, or ask me if I'm wearing Halloween makeup.
I'm using Dermaflage's color correcting palette, which is usually used for bruises and dark under eye circles.
So I do have what's called Argyria from having drank too much colloidal silver. So I am now in the process of doing microneedling and peels. I'm also now doing a chelation therapy.
If you have Argyria, there is hope. And for the rest of us, these color correcting tips using oranges and peaches are magic for the under eye. Most of us have a blue-gray tinge underneath the under eye. Color correcting with the orange tones is almost done.
I didn't even notice that it was happening because it was so gradual and it was over such a long period of time. I did it probably for like a good 4 to 5 years. I was drinking it. So because it was so gradual, I didn't even notice it until one day people started walking up to me and asking me if I felt okay.
Wow.
Okay, so that's the key, is basically just putting the
color correct first.
The color correct and then the foundation.
This is Guerlain Meteorites. It's a bunch of color correcting powder pearls all in one. I use this powder a lot to correct eczema, rosacea, and even sunburns.
Okay, body makeup time. So just to get an idea, this on my fingertips here is more of the Argyria, which is the gray undertone, and you see that you don't have it, but I do. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I even have it like in my fingernails.
Wow.
Yeah, see how it's like that? I know, it looks like I have anemia, but I don't. Okay, color correction time.
We're using Dermablend Leg and Body Makeup in Sand Beige, which is a warm tone. Check the video description notes. There's going to be links to the products and also the info of the esthetician that my client used.
The arm looks wonderful. It looks really nice.
Let's show it in outdoor light too.
Okay. Yeah.
Because it's such a difference, but it really looks like skin.
Yeah.
Let's see what the makeup looks like in the Southern California sun.
All right. Here we go. The true test.
It's always a good idea to check your makeup in outdoor lighting.
Yeah, you can see this right here. Yeah.
Now it's on to the lips. I'm using the Dermaflage correcting palette in the darkest orange tone, and I'm going to use a beauty blender. So make sure you put your beauty blender into purified water and then use it to pick up the pigment and apply it on the lips. This orangey tone should neutralize any blue-gray undertone.
Big scars. Oh boy, I need that. Yeah, we all need. They're in that business. They're really good.
Next, I'm using an NYX lip pencil in Foiled Again, which is a pretty bright orange. But with her blue undertones, it's going to look pretty peachy and natural. Okay, and then kind of mush that together.
Beautiful. Love this color. Nice.
I'm using NYX Butter Lipstick in Fun Size, which is a great peach, and it reminds me of Max Velvet Teddy. Yeah, kind of mush that around. That's pretty and lively.
Right? I love this color.
Fabulous. Thanks for watching, guys.